Hi everyone, my name is Pauline Lake. I work with the National Center for Computer Science Education, which is housed at the College of St. Scholastica in Duluth, Minnesota. At the center, we have two high school curricula. I'm going to share with you today a little bit more about the center and how you can access these free resources for use in your CS classroom. So the center champions, researches, and provides equitable computer science learning opportunities for K through 16 teachers and students. We currently have several National Science Foundation grants that are helping us move forward with promoting equity in computer science education. At the center, we also offer graduate credit as we are housed at the College of St. Scholastica, which is known for its online education programs. We currently offer a certificate in computer science education that many educators have found to be helpful if they are in a state where they need a separate certificate or endorsement saying that they can teach computer science education. We also offer education workshops for taking our professional development, either for Mobile CSP or CSAwesome, and then teaching the course in the school year. We also offer graduate credit for teachers who are seeking credit after attending computer science conferences that have occurred. So, for example, you could attend the Pathfinders Summer Institute with the Emphasis Foundation USA, or you could attend the annual Computer Science Teachers Association conference, and then talk to us about earning graduate credit for your professional learning experience. So as I mentioned, we have two computer science curricula that we offer. The first is Mobile CSP, Mobile Computer Science Principles. It is an AP Computer Science Principles course that focuses on introducing students to computer science and learning how to program with MIT's App Inventor, which is a blocks-based programming language. You can learn more about Mobile CSP by visiting us at www.mobilecsp.org. We also offer CSAwesome. CSAwesome is an AP Computer Science A course where students learn programming in Java. You can learn more about CSAwesome at www.csawesome.org. And CSAwesome is one course that we are focusing on the transition. So students who have taken a computer science principles course, such as Mobile CSP, and are now looking to move on to taking computer science A, may find CSAwesome helpful. We also provide professional development for both of these curricula, and all of the materials are hosted on Runestone Academy for free. And both curricula are currently endorsed by the college board. So what I'd like to do now is to actually share with you the Runestone Academy platform. So Mobile CSP and CSAwesome are both hosted for free on Runestone Academy. You can sign up for an account on runestone.academy, and then you can enroll in a course. So what I'd like to do is to show you what these ebooks or interactive textbooks look like and show you two examples of what we have available for Mobile CSP and then CSAwesome. So in Mobile CSP, the entire curriculum is hosted. An example lesson would be our 2.2, I Have a Dream, the first experience that students get with using MIT's App Inventor. This is a tutorial lesson where students are introduced to what the learning goals are, and then they are taken through a tutorial. We provide both a video tutorial as well as a text tutorial that students can work through. And we also include practice opportunities where students can check their understanding of vocabulary as well as interact with exercises at the end. These are self-check exercises. So we can check an answer by selecting it, and then the student gets immediate response and feedback whether or not they're correct. In Mobile CSP, students also can do practice live coding. These are Quizly coding exercises that they can try right here in the browser. And they can drag and drop the code to be able to implement that and then check their answer. And in Mobile CSP, students also keep a Google Site portfolio or set of reflections where they reflect at the end of each lesson on what they have learned. In addition to Mobile CSP, I'd like to also show you CSAwesome. So in Runestone, you can change courses. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change course. And in CSAwesome, students are going to be learning Java programming. So if we go to a lesson such as 1.2, in 1.2, you can see that students are introduced to Java programming, and they can work through the interactive textbook. And inside, we have some active codes where they can run the code and get a result of what that code is doing. And they can examine the code. They can also edit the code. So say, hi, Pauline, and save and run, again, right in the browser. In addition to the active codes, there are videos, text. There's also what are called parsons problems, where students can take the blocks that are here and they can rearrange them in the order that they believe is correct. So we can drag these, and if they were to get this wrong 3 times, they could actually check their answers and get some help. So parsons problems are the blocks where they can drag and drop and put the code in the correct order, and it will help them at the end if they need help. In addition, students in CSAwesome complete challenges. So at the end of each lesson, there's a challenge that students are given. They can work in individually or in pairs. And this one here is a debugging challenge where they would debug the code and try to fix all of the errors. And other times it's larger creative projects that they're doing. So in addition to all this, you can use Runestone Academy to check students' work and monitor student progress using what's called the instructor page. So it comes with a grade book where you can manage student activity. You can see student progress. So if I go to student progress, you should see a example here, myself as a student and then another facilitator as a student, where we can check their progress. So let's see how they were doing in Unit 2. You can see how much they've done as well as how they've answered the questions. So these are all the self-check questions that are in there. You can see whether or not they've gotten completely correct or if they haven't gotten correct. And so there's a lot of data in here that you can use as an instructor as well. And you can give assignments, you can create assignments and then grade those assignments right inside Runestone Academy. So again, Mobile CSP and CSAwesome are both hosted on Runestone Academy and are housed at the National Center for Computer Science Education. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Again, my name is Pauline Lake, and you can email me at csed@css.edu. Thank you.